Mastering direct communication. Understanding, I'll put it bluntly. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase in the English language. I'll put it bluntly. This phrase is a powerful tool in communication, but it's important to use it wisely. We'll explore what it means, when to use it, and some examples to help you understand how to incorporate it into your conversations. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to refine your communication skills, this video is for you. I'll put it bluntly is a phrase used by someone who wants to speak very directly, without softening the statement or sugarcoating the truth. It signals that the speaker is about to deliver a message in a straightforward, honest, and possibly sharp manner. This phrase prepares the listener for the directness of the message, which might be about a sensitive or uncomfortable topic. Knowing when to use "I'll put it bluntly" is crucial because its directness can be both a strength and a weakness. In professional settings, it can be used to offer clear, unambiguous feedback or to cut through ambiguity in important discussions. However, it should be used sparingly and with consideration for the workplace culture and the feelings of others. In personal conversations, it's useful for discussing serious matters where honesty is paramount. But remember, it should be used when you believe the truth, as direct as it is, will ultimately benefit the listener. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase. 1. Feedback situation. I'll put it bluntly. Your work on this project has not met our expectations, and we need to see significant improvements. 2. Personal advice. I'll put it bluntly. Continuing in this direction could harm your health. 3. Decision making. I'll put it bluntly. We just don't have the budget to pursue this project any further. To use this phrase effectively, consider the following tips. Context is key. Make sure the situation warrants directness. Tone matters. Even when being blunt, your tone can convey respect and empathy. Follow up. After being blunt, be ready to offer support, solutions, or further clarification to soften the impact. I'll put it bluntly is a powerful phrase in English communication, allowing for clear and direct conversation. Remember, its strength lies in its honesty and straightforwardness, but it should be used with care to ensure that it serves to clarify rather than hurt. We hope this video helps you navigate your conversations more effectively, and as always, we're here to support your journey in mastering the English language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.